today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes guys, one indicator, one of my favorite indicators, basically the mother of all indicators, was just flashing. And every single time this indicator flashes, it flashes within bull markets. And when the Bitcoin price dips down, crosses this line, this usually means that the retracement is soon over and we are going to expect a huge 400% pump towards the upside. I will be talking about that. Of course, I will be talking also about what we can expect in the immediate short term for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, what I'm doing trading wise. I hope the water here is not too loud. Very beautiful. What I'm doing trading wise, and of course, what is my game plan on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on in the immediate term, short term. I will be talking about all of that. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. You sit down, you scroll down, you smash up the like button, and with that being said, let's go straight into the content. I wanted to remind you quickly, if you go below here in the pinned comment, you will find $2,520 in free bonuses down below. The Bybit link alone is 1,610 free US in free bonuses. Then I have Feemax, and also the Binance link alone is already like $700 in free bonus. So make sure you take advantage of that. But now I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin price a little bit here in the immediate short term before I am actually going into that insane indicator, guys. And I kid you not, this one is one for the history books because it doesn't flash a lot. First of all, you remember that Bitcoin had this crazy fake out towards the downside, and then we just pumped up like crazy, where we hit here the 100-day exponential moving average. And I was telling you actually in this moment where we broke below that most probably this is even a fake out because Ethereum didn't break out towards the downside, and Ethereum is a leading indicator. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. Also, big shout out to everyone here who took this trade towards the upside, because Bitcoin hit up to the freaking dollar, exactly my price target here, for a long time, consolidating around these levels, and now Bitcoin actually even broke higher. Why is this actually in it of itself, first of all, a bullish sign for Bitcoin? Well, let me remain here on the 4 hourly. Actually, you know what, let me go over to the 4 hourly candles. Sorry, that was the 3 hourly candles, and zoom in a little bit. Then you can actually see when I'm pulling out the Fibonacci extension levels, then from the bottom to the top, you can see something nice unfolding, because now that Bitcoin even broke, this is not perfectly drawn actually, let me take this up here. Now that Bitcoin broke this very, very crucial key level of approximately $53,900, which was in alignment with our measured move price target of the symmetrical triangle breakout here. No, after we broke this, not only 56,000 is the next one. No, I personally, the 56,000 is actually exactly at the point of control of the previous triangle. No, I'm personally looking out for right now that we broke the 38.2 to the most important level actually, and this is the Fibonacci golden pocket between the 58,100 and the 58,600 US dollar levels. This is the next one I would be looking out for. I would personally not trade it yet. I would be waiting until a pattern forms and breaks out, guys, and I will definitely update you about that here. Of course, the only thing you have to do, basically, let me quickly go back to the camera mode, is, and this is a shout out to everyone who is not subscribed yet, because I know that like 35% of you guys watching are not subscribed yet, and that's why you are sometimes missing out on my signals, on my real-time signals here also on YouTube. What you have to do is scroll down, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all. Bell and all is very important to make sure that you are getting all the notifications in the future with the 100% likelihood in the moment it is necessary, because I'm pushing many videos and they are always very time sensitive. And before I'm going over here into the Ethereum chart, I wanted to talk about something. And here again, I'm giving a big shout out to Dilution Proof. He was posting the Bitcoin price is kissing Woonomics NVT price model. I will tell you exactly what that means now for the first time in this bull cycle. And this is actually crazy, because in the last bull cycle we hit it 4 times. Throughout the previous bull cycle, this model provided bull cycles, so all of them, this model provided price support 1 to 4 times before reaching their respective blow off tops. So what does this mean here in the grand scheme of things? Here you can see the price model basically pulled from the Woonomic website. Shout out to Willy Woo, where you can see this turkey line. Every single time Bitcoin touched it within a parabolic bull cycle. In the bear market, not very important metric, but in a bull cycle, right here touched it 4 times. Even there in 2013, touched it 1 time. Whenever we are touching it, sometimes we are wicking below, we are shooting towards the upside. And guess what, guys? Yesterday we hit it again, and actually pretty much exactly. Of course there is still some room towards the downside, we could wick below, but according to the history before, in 2017, in 2013, always when we hit it, when we overshoot and hit it, in the immediate future, in the same week, we are getting massive bounce towards the upside. So the question is this bounce already happening right now? And if I'm going over, I can tell you also what the NVT actually means, because the NVT is monetary velocity on Bitcoin. So it tracks the volume on the Bitcoin blockchain. So the more people are doing OTC, the more people are sending money from A to B on the Bitcoin blockchain, not on exchanges, on the blockchain, the higher the NVT actually goes. So you can also see that the NVT continuously is going up here, which is of course a beautiful thing, because according to network effects, we want more people using Bitcoin, we want more value actually transferred on the Bitcoin blockchain. So this is good news. And here you can see actually, if I'm zooming in even more, the Bitcoin price was going down, dipping down exactly. And according to the last bull cycles, every time we are dipping down, this is the end of the retracement. And this seems to be happening right now. This seems to be unfolding. So the only question left is, of course, let me quickly go back. Here you can see the beautiful neighborhood where I'm in actually right now. I actually wanted to just relax a little bit, but I always feel obligated when I'm seeing something like this. I have to push it to you, and that's what I'm doing the whole time. So if you want to give back, smash up the like button. If you want to give back even more, make noise for the algorithm by commenting, by sharing the video among your friends. This is truly always appreciated, guys. As you know, I'm looking at many of these comments. I'm getting like 2,000 comments, but 100 or 200 every video I'm reading actually. So if you are leaving a comment down below, I will try to even comment your post down below. So this is what I'm looking out for Bitcoin right now. Quick shout out also to Ethereum. Ethereum has been very, very nice to everyone who is invested right now. And what you can see is that we are having the same, a very similar pattern unfolding on the Ethereum chart, where we had this massive fake out, and right now Ethereum broke out once again. I was giving you the warning that Ethereum is a leading indicator when we were still in that pattern, and that Bitcoin probably has a fake out towards the downside. This actually unfolded, and this actually happened. Ethereum broke out towards the upside, and unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum didn't hit the price target yet. The price target of this breakout, if it solidifies, guys, be aware of fake outs. I mean, we just had one right here, right? If it solidifies, the price target is slightly below the $3,000 levels, approximately $2,870. And here you can do the same thing. There is also a new sheriff in town right here. If you pull the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom to the top, then you can see what a surprise, surprise, guys. The 1.414 is also in perfect alignment with our price target, with our measured move price target of this breakout. Eventually, I would be looking out for the Fibonacci golden ratio, the $2,981, give or take $3,000 for Ethereum. Of course, guys, be a little bit careful here. We are seeing fake outs every now and then, but if you're in profits here on your Bitcoin trade, well, the first profits should have been taken yesterday when we hit the price target, and the next ones at the at the Fibonacci golden pocket at the $58,000 levels. But always make sure you are taking profits, because with on the exchanges here, you have them in the pinned comment down below, where you get $2,500 for free for your own trading. We are trading Bitcoin settled futures, so whenever we are taking profits, we are taking these profits in Bitcoin. And even if Bitcoin goes higher, you are still making profits. If Bitcoin goes lower, who the F cares? You at least secured it in Bitcoin, and this gas is in the history of mankind. So long term, you will even be fine taking these profits in Bitcoin. Even if Bitcoin goes lower, you are still holding the same Bitcoin amount. If you take one Bitcoin in profits, Bitcoin goes down by 50%, you still have one Bitcoin taken in profits down below. So make sure you use these links down below. You can use the bonus $2,500 at the 40x level, which is $100,000 trade completely for free. I would take advantage of that, but also only if I am an experienced trader. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button and for watching until the very end. I have one last great news for you actually. If I'm going back here, you can see that my great news I have to share with you is from Dave important, or he was actually accusing Elon Musk of pump and dumping Bitcoin. And then Elon Musk actually, I don't know why he took the time to respond, but it was nice. He was saying, no, you don't understand that correctly. I have not sold any, and now listen closely, any of my Bitcoin. Tesla sold 10% of its holdings, essentially to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative holding cash on balance sheet. And now listen closely, guys. I have not sold any of my Bitcoin. What does this mean, dear ladies and gentlemen? That means not only Tesla is holding Bitcoin in their balance sheet. No, he accidentally, if it was on accident, I mean, this guy is probably just too smart for that, but he accidentally actually admitted that he is privately holding Bitcoin. And this, ladies and gentlemen, was something I was personally looking out for, right? So let me know what you think about that, because so far the official story was that only Tesla was holding Bitcoin. This is great news, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.